and tell me everything that you have.
Okay, well, no, don't put that yet. Tell you everything like starting from.
Yeah, but yeah, just tell me how you're making it. If it was just me.
Okay, so we're going to make this Channa and aloo, not aloo.
Hi, welcome to my video and welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. My name is Anila and today I have a really special treat for you. I am still recovering from surgery, so my mom is taking over this week's video and she is going to show you a very popular Trinidadian dish. It's called Channa Aloo, chickpeas and potato. Like me, my mom is camera shy, so we have to encourage her.
Yeah, I hope you like the video, and if you do like the video, please touch on the icon, the thumbs up, and subscribe, please. This way I'll be encouraged to do some more. Encouraged to do some of the old-fashioned style cooking.
So let's get right into it with my Trini Mom.
So we have 2 tins there. For that we'll need 4 cloves of garlic. I'm using a medium-sized onion, jeera, curry leaves, carapule leaves, or curry pata, some Trinidad curry powder, my salt, green chilies. And you could use scotch bonnet, scorpion pepper, but still flavorful. Get these open and so I'll wash this in my colander. Let's rinse them out.
Rinsing is really important because sometimes canned chickpeas contain added salt.
And I'll just leave it here to drain out.
You don't have to be too professional with your chopping, but try to aim for a fine chop.
Yeah, I like to chop it as fine as possible and not too chunky so it all dissolves when it's cooking. And that's really enough. Put that in a little. Put this aside. Again, 1 onion finely chopped. So we don't have chunky onions, in the cooking. Since I put both of them together, I just put both in the same container. So we have the garlic and the onion there. 2 chilies, and these are not too hot. So I think that's about that for chopping. No. So we have all of that. After the 2 potatoes, 2 medium-sized potatoes.
Yeah, I thought something was missing.
2 potatoes. Yeah, 2 is sufficient for that because you don't want potato and Channa or aloo and Channa. You want Channa now. Alright.
Thoroughly wash and peel your potatoes. However, depending on the type of potato, you might choose to leave the skin on, and that's perfectly fine.
Got my 2 medium potatoes, which I will chop into cubes.
What size is that?
Yeah, this is about like 1-inch cubes, like 1-inch cube. Dissolve a little bit with it, so. We have the onion, we have pepper, we have all the spices. And now I'll get my pot ready. This is my 51-year-old iron pot. Still going very good and strong. It's clean. That's expected. It cannot be shining inside and outside, so that's what I believe. I have oil. Oh.
While my mom is organizing her oil, I just want to remind you that all of the measurements are down below. And even though my mom doesn't cook with a recipe, like most moms, she has given me a hint about the measurements.
That's about 2 tablespoons of oil. Just turn my stove up. My favorite pot spoon. I don't measure, I just put.
I know. But you can just put it the way you want.
Yeah, it is really. Well, that's true because I don't measure. I just put it the way I.
Moms don't measure, they just know.
I just put how much. A few curry leaves, curry pata leaves. If you have it fresh off the tree or the plant, it's even better. Get on too. So I put my curry leaves. But it's like a teaspoon or a half a teaspoon of this. Now I put in my garlic and onion. That's all. Yeah. I'm going to throw in my little chili. Okay. You see now getting a little brown, like a little bit here. It cooked it. I put in my potato. I don't put in my curry yet. I'm using pink salt, the Himalayan pink salt instead of the white salt. Yeah. Now, my curry in the potato. I'll take a look. 2 teaspoons. Full. Heaped. Yeah. Mother used to do. She used to put about a half a teaspoon of this amchar masala. Still put that in it.
Yeah.
Now I'll put in my chana.
The idea is to cook these ingredients for about 5 to 7 minutes in only the spices before adding any additional moisture. And you only add enough water to cover what's in the pot.
If I get the boiling point and cook down for even later.
Okay. This needs to bubble away for about 10 to 15 minutes on a medium-low heat. And then you can open it up and check it. Tell me about the potato.
Yeah, the potato is all cooked, soft, nice. You could even mash up a few of them if you want it a little, you know, thicker.
Smells really good.
Good. No, but you see, look, the potato is small. It's still there, you could see it. And it's very soft. It has enough salt, enough chilies. It's just ready to eat. ready to be served and eat. But
just put it in a bowl. Eat it.
the bowl and eat it.
This is why our house smells like curry.
Yeah, it smells as curry.
You can put it in this bowl now?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in. Some drops.
That's okay. If it was me, half of it would have been on the counter. This recipe would probably serve about 4 to 6 people. This is a side dish, not a main dish. In a Trini meal, you would typically have several curries anyway, so this would just be one among many. This could feed a really good sized family.
No, but you see how I'm one of those fortunate ones who know how to make a para or doubles. You make it.
Oh yeah, and then you put this inside.
And
Yeah.
you make it just a chana, and you could squish up your chana and make it a little softer. And that is how I cook mine, like I learned from my mom and my auntie.
Channa aloo.
Yeah, chana and aloo, but back home we didn't have canned chana, so we soaked the chana overnight. And we had to boil it. We add some baking soda next day and boil it so it gets soft.
You have to adapt also with the time and like with your lifestyle. If you don't have time, let's say you're someone busy and you rely on canned goods, that's fine. It's okay.
To do that. But we still do the same today. Big weddings, you make big amounts. So we hope whoever look at it would like it. That is my way of cooking it. So, yeah, I hope you like the video, and if you do like the video, please touch on the icon, the thumbs up, and subscribe, please. This way I'll be encouraged to do some more. Encouraged to do some of the old-fashioned style cooking.
Yeah, the Trini cooking that like my generation doesn't really know how to cook. We just know how to eat.